Hello, today we will guide you through how to join a Life360 Circle. If you've been invited to connect with family members or a group in Life360, joining a circle is a quick process once you have your invitation code ready. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily on your device. To begin, open the Life360 app on your phone. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main screen and navigation options. If you're not already signed in, you may need to complete that first before continuing. Once you're inside the app, you're ready to move on. Next, look toward the top of the screen and tap on Circle. This area lets you manage the different circles connected to your account. A circle in Life360 is essentially a private group where members can share location and stay connected. Tapping here will take you to the section where you can view your current circle options and add a new one if needed. After that, tap on Join Circle. This is the option you'll use when someone has already invited you and provided a code. Be careful not to choose any option that creates a new circle, since that would start a separate group instead of joining the one you were invited to. Selecting Join Circle will open the screen where you can enter your invitation details. Now enter the code to join. Type the code exactly as it was shared with you, paying attention to any letters, numbers, spacing, or capitalization if applicable. Since invite codes are meant to connect you to a specific circle, accuracy is important here. If the code doesn't work on the first try, it's a good idea to double check for typing mistakes and confirm that the code is still valid. Once the code is entered correctly, the app will process your request and connect you to the circle associated with that invitation. From there, you should be able to see the circle within your account and access the features available to members of that group. And that's all it takes to join a Life360 Circle. The process is simple. Open the app, go to the Circle section, choose Join Circle, and enter the invitation code. If you have trouble at any point, make sure the app is updated and that you're using the correct code provided by the Circle administrator. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you get connected quickly and smoothly in Life360.